Imagine waking up each day without worrying about bills or debts, with the freedom to make choices based on your desires rather than your financial constraints. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that financial freedom is within your reach, and it all starts with understanding the true role of money? We often hear the phrase, "It's not about making a lot of money, it's about financial freedom." Yet the truth is, without enough income and a smart financial plan, that freedom remains elusive. How can you turn your financial resources into a pathway to the life you've always wanted? In this video, I will show you a roadmap to financial freedom. If you are ready to go down a real path to getting rich, please comment "freedom" right now. Go ahead and type the word "freedom." When I see your comment, I will give you a reply. Thank you for doing that. Now pay attention to this important information and change your life from this point forward. First, you need to understand what financial freedom is. Picture waking up each morning without the stress of bills piling up or debts haunting your thoughts. Imagine the ability to make decisions based on what truly makes you happy, not just what you can afford. This is the essence of financial freedom, a state where your living expenses are covered without relying on a paycheck. It's about having the power to retire early, travel the world, or simply save a peace of mind, living life entirely on your own terms. But how do you get there? What steps must you take to turn this vision into reality? To unlock the door to financial freedom, money is not just a tool, it's a crucial element of the journey. Here's why. Number 1, security. Imagine having a financial cushion that protects you from life's unexpected events, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or economic downturns. Money provides this essential safety net, giving you peace of mind and stability. The second reason is opportunity. Money is the key that unlocks countless opportunities to grow your wealth. Think about being able to invest in your education, start a business, or dive into the stock market. Each of these ventures can significantly increase your financial resources, propelling you closer to your goals. Number 3, lifestyle. Envision a life where you can maintain a comfortable lifestyle without financial strain. Whether it's pursuing your favorite hobbies, supporting your family, or enjoying the finer things in life, financial freedom makes it all possible. So how can you transform these principles into a practical plan for achieving financial freedom? How do you turn your current financial situation into the life of your dreams? Let's delve deeper into the strategies and actions that can lead you to true financial independence. Creating a financial freedom plan. Achieving financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about having a well-thought-out plan. Let's explore the steps to guide you there. The first step is to set clear financial goals. Start by vividly imagining what financial freedom looks like for you. Is it retiring early to pursue your passions, traveling the world without financial constraints, or simply having peace of mind knowing all your bills are covered? Defining these goals with clarity and specificity is the first crucial step. Once you know what you're aiming for, you can develop a financial plan that includes budgeting, saving, investing, and possibly increasing your income to make those dreams a reality. Number 2, budget wisely. Creating a budget is like building the foundation of a house. It's essential for stability and growth. Here's how to craft a budget that sets you on the path to financial freedom. Prioritize necessities. Start by listing your essential expenses: housing, utilities, groceries, and other non-negotiable costs. Ensuring these basics are covered first gives you a solid foundation to build on. Next, scrutinize your discretionary spending. Are there subscriptions you rarely use? Could dining out less frequently save you a significant amount each month? Identifying and cutting unnecessary expenses can free up more money to put toward your financial goals. To stay accountable and maintain a clear overview of your finances, consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets. These tools can track your income, expenses, and savings in real time, providing valuable insights and helping you stay on track. Budgeting is not a one-time task, but a consistent practice. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're adhering to it and make adjustments as needed. This disciplined approach will help you manage your money more effectively and move steadily toward your financial goals. Remember, every dollar you save brings you closer to your vision of financial freedom. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated and remind yourself of the ultimate goal, living life on your own terms without financial stress. Number 3, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is the cornerstone of financial stability and a critical step towards financial freedom. Here's how to create a robust safety net. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, ready to absorb unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Without it, you might find yourself relying on credit cards or loans, which can derail your financial goals. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This range provides a solid buffer for most emergencies, giving you time to recover without significant financial strain. Calculate your monthly necessities, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and essential bills, to determine your target amount. Put your emergency fund into an easily accessible, high-interest savings account. This ensures that your money is not only safe, but also earning interest, helping it grow over time. The accessibility factor is crucial. You want to be able to withdraw funds quickly in case of an emergency. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. Regularly set aside a portion of your income until you reach your goal. Treat this as a non-negotiable part of your budget, just like paying your rent or utility bills. With an emergency fund in place, you'll gain peace of mind knowing you have a financial safety net. This allows you to focus on other financial goals without the constant worry of unexpected expenses derailing your progress. Number 4, eliminate debt. Debt is a major obstacle on the path to financial freedom. Here's how to tackle it effectively. High-interest debts, like those from credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control, eating into your income and making it harder to save and invest. Reducing and eliminating debt should be a top priority to alleviate financial stress and free up resources for your financial goals. Start by focusing on high-interest debts. These are the most costly and can grow rapidly if not addressed. Make a list of all your debts, noting the interest rates and balances. Prioritize paying off the ones with the highest interest rates first. Develop a clear plan to pay off your debts. This might involve strategies like the avalanche method, paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum. Choose the method that best fits your financial situation and psychological preference. To accelerate your debt repayment, look for areas in your budget where you can cut back. Redirect any extra money toward your debt payments. Every dollar you pay off is a step closer to financial freedom. While paying off existing debt, it's crucial to avoid accumulating new debt. Use credit cards sparingly and only for purchases you can pay off in full each month. Consider avoiding new loans unless absolutely necessary. Paying off debt can be a long journey, so celebrate your milestones along the way. Each paid-off debt brings you closer to financial freedom and motivates you to keep going. Once your high-interest debts are under control, you'll notice a significant reduction in financial stress. The money that was once going towards interest payments can now be redirected to savings, investments, and other financial goals, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Number 5, invest for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Here's how to make your money work for you. Investing allows your money to generate returns over time through interest, dividends, or capital gains. Unlike saving, which simply stores your money, Investing grows it, helping you build wealth more quickly. To minimize risk and maximize potential gains, diversify your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification spreads your risk, so if one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing out your overall returns. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small regular investments can accumulate significantly over time. Make investing a habit by setting aside a portion of your income each month to invest. Choose the right investment vehicles. Stocks. Owning shares in companies can provide high returns, but also comes with higher risk. Bonds. These are generally safer investments, offering fixed returns over a specified period. Real estate. Investing in property can provide rental income and capital appreciation. Mutual funds. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds managed by professionals. Before diving into investing, take the time to educate yourself. Understand the basics of different investment types and how markets work. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help you create a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing is a long-term game. Markets can be volatile, and it's essential to stay patient and committed to your investment plan. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Whenever possible, reinvest the returns from your investments. This further harnesses the power of compounding, where your earnings generate more earnings, accelerating your wealth growth. Number 6, increase your income. Boosting your income is a powerful strategy to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Here's how to enhance your earning potential. Consider taking on side hustles or part-time work that leverages your skills and interests. This could be anything from freelancing, tutoring, or starting a small business. Side hustles not only provide extra income, but also offer opportunities to explore new career paths and passions. If you have marketable skills, freelancing can be an excellent way to increase your income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer connect you with clients looking for services ranging from writing and graphic design to coding and consulting. Freelancing allows you to work on your terms and set your rates. Don't underestimate the power of negotiating a raise at your current job. Research industry salary standards and highlight your contributions to your employer. Prepare a compelling case to present to your manager, showcasing your achievements and the value you bring to the company. Investing in your education and skills can lead to higher-paying job opportunities. Consider enrolling in courses or obtaining certifications relevant to your field. Higher qualifications often translate to better job prospects and increased earning potential. Look into creating passive income streams, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, providing financial stability and growth over time. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in changing economic conditions. Diversifying your income streams ensures you have multiple revenue sources to fall back on if one dries up. This added financial security is crucial for maintaining and growing your wealth. Increasing your income requires commitment and adaptability. Continuously seek opportunities to grow your earnings and remain flexible to take advantage of new possibilities. Regularly assess your financial situation and adjust your strategies as needed. By actively seeking ways to boost your income, you can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Number 7, stay educated. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and staying informed is crucial for achieving financial freedom. Here's how to make financial education a habit. Make a commitment to regularly educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial blogs and news outlets. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Ensure you have a solid understanding of key financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, and debt management. This foundational knowledge empowers you to optimize your financial strategies and avoid costly mistakes. Stay updated on the latest financial trends and tools. The financial landscape is always evolving, and staying current ensures you're making the best choices for your financial well-being. Whether it's new investment opportunities, changes in tax laws, or emerging financial technologies, being informed helps you stay ahead. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial professionals. Financial advisors, accountants, and investment planners can provide valuable insights and personalized strategies tailored to your financial goals. Their expertise can help you navigate complex financial situations and enhance your financial planning. Engage with financial communities online or in person. Forums, social media groups, and local finance clubs can offer support, share experiences, and provide valuable tips. Being part of a community keeps you motivated and accountable. Knowledge is powerful only when applied. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans based on what you learn. Implement new strategies and tools that align with your goals and monitor their effectiveness. While financial freedom is the ultimate goal, it's essential to acknowledge that it is indeed about the money. Money is the tool that enables you to break free from financial constraints and live the life you desire. By understanding and embracing the role of money in achieving financial freedom, you can take control of your financial future and unlock the doors to a life of independence and fulfillment. By following these steps, setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, building an emergency fund, eliminating debt, investing for the future, increasing your income, and staying educated, you can create a solid foundation for financial freedom. It would be a good idea to keep your momentum going and watch the next video. 5 income-generating assets to quit your job. Go ahead and click on this one now, and let's build big money